Hi, Paulina.
Hello.
We'd like some advice on the essay on community. What was the question that you answered, and what was your fabulous way of answering it?
The question was how a community has shaped you or made you become who you are. And a few colleges actually asked me this, and I talked about my community out here, this German community that I live in, and how just that really close traditional German community outside of Germany here in America has really made me become more close to my heritage. And so I wrote about this tradition that we had was Thanksgivings, coming out here and meeting with all our German friends, and how as children we would put on plays, but we would all wear our German traditional clothing, lederhosen and dirndl, and these are just some of the things that stuck with me.
And there was one fabulous title you had for what must have been one of your greatest hits.
Yeah, Pilgrims in Lederhosen.
I think that says it all
Yeah.
for the intersection of German and American culture.
Yeah.
Thank you, Paulina.